How do you find a hummingbird nest? Well, you start by going out into the woods and looking up. Look way up. Your best chance is to see some hummingbirds flitting against the sky. And you have to be quiet. Listen very carefully. There's one. And once you've defined that there's a territory, you can be sure that there's more hummingbird territories around. See if you can get to an area where you can see the tops of the trees. There goes another one. And then stay in that area and just wait and watch, because that bird is going to be going around its territory. Now this happens to be a male Anis hummingbird. I know that because when he looks at me, you get that distinctive red flash on his face. If it were sunny, his whole head would seem bright red. It also helps if you bring a feeder with you. Stick a feeder in the woods. Here's that same male Anis hummingbird coming around for food. Now he won't have very many other males around him, they're very territorial, but he will have some females. So then go out into the woods and again, be very quiet. Pretty soon, I found one. You need your powers of observation and your ears. It's going to be very difficult, but if you're quiet and patient, you'll find one. They tend to sit very, very still in the nest. What you're looking for is a very highly disguised nest. You might get lucky and see her coming in for a landing, which might attract your attention. But once in the nest, they sit as still as possible. Now once I've found a nest, what I want to do is get a good vantage place so that I can film it. Sometimes that means climbing up a tree so I can look down. And then what I want to do is see what kind of stage the eggs are at. Now this Anis hummingbird has just laid her eggs recently. They haven't hatched yet, and she's going to sit there for quite some time. So I really don't want to be around too much until they hatch, and even then I'm going to make myself fairly scarce. You can hear her telling me off. So that's how you find a hummingbird's nest, and now you have to respect it. So try not to invade her space too much. Good luck.